Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi connection problems on your INFINIX Note 30 VIP. First go to Settings and then to Wi-Fi. Turn it off and on for a quick restart. If that doesn't help, click on the network and then click Forget. Now connect to the same network by entering the password and click Connect. Next, restart the phone by pressing and holding the power button only. Tap Restart and tap again. Now it's restarting. I'll see you in a second. After the restart, go to Settings, scroll down to System, tap on Reset Phone and reset the Wi-Fi settings. Confirm it's you and you should see the confirmation. Now connect again by entering the password and click Connect. As a last resort, go to System, System Update, and Online Update. Make sure it says your system is up to date. That's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.